Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 21 and Ind AS 109. Ind AS 21 deals with accounting for currency differences and Ind AS 109 deals with a recognition and measurement of financial instruments. After watching the videos on GAAP Advisors channel, download the financial statements of the listed company of which you are an investor, auditor, lender or employee and see whether the company has reported similar to that being discussed in these videos. If found, make the company aware of the issues in their financial statements, enabling the company to excel in financial reporting in India. Suppose you find similar reporting in another financial statements but require more inputs on the same. In such cases, you may like to have one-on-one consultation on your findings. A link to book one-on-one consultation is given in the description box. You may contribute your desired amount for the knowledge obtained by scanning the QR code given in the slides. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com. A listed company has disclosed accounting policy on foreign currency transactions as shown in this slide. The company has stated in the policy on foreign currency transactions that the premium in case of forward contracts is dealt with in the profit and loss account proportionately over the period of contracts. This is not in accordance with Ind AS 21 and Ind AS 109. This video is going to be longer than previous ones. Please watch this video till the end to understand the problems in this policy. Para 5 of Ind AS 21. Para 5 of Ind AS 21 states that this standard does not apply to hedge accounting for foreign currency items, including the hedging of a net investment in a foreign operation. Ind AS 109 applies to hedge accounting. The company has disclosed within the accounting policy on foreign currency transactions and therefore such inclusion is not in accordance with Ind AS 21. Para 6.5.16 of Ind AS 109, Para 6.5.16 of Ind AS 109 permits separating the forward element and the spot element of a forward contract and designate as the hedging instrument only the change in the value of the spot element of the forward contract. In such a case, the forward element which the company has termed as premium in forward contracts needs to be identified as either transaction related or a time period related based on the guidance given in Appendix B of Ind AS 109. We will not be discussing how to identify whether the forward element is transaction related or time period related, as that will divert the objective of this video. The forward element is recognized in other comprehensive income, in short OCI, and reclassified to profit or loss based on whether the forward element is transaction related or time period related. Further, such an account is permissible if the company has applied hedge accounting in accordance with Ind AS 109, that is, the hedge qualifies for hedge accounting as per the criteria given in para 6.4.1 of Ind AS 109. The company has not disclosed whether the company has applied hedge accounting for forward contracts, the type of hedge relationship, hedge ineffectiveness, etc. Where a company does not apply hedge accounting requirements of Ind AS 109, entire change in fair value, that is change in both spot element and forward element, are required to be recognized in profit or loss in accordance with para 4.1.4 and para 4.2.1 of Ind AS 109. Thus, the company has separated the forward element and the spot element of a forward contract without identifying whether the forward element is transaction related or time period related, and therefore has not complied with the requirement of Ind AS 109. Due to this, profit for the period and other comprehensive income for the period have been impacted. As both these numbers are carried in statement of changes in equity, that statement has also been impacted. The profit numbers are carried in the statement of cash flows, where the cash flows from operating activities are presented under indirect method. The company has presented statement of cash flows under indirect method, and hence statement of cash flows has also been impacted. The balance sheet has been impacted as the company has not specified how it measures the forward contract in balance sheet. The company has identified profit and loss account in the accounting policy. No such account is presented under Ind AS. The company has presented statement of profit and loss and not profit and loss account. Therefore, the mention of profit and loss account in the accounting policy is also not proper. Thus, the notes have also been impacted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code for the knowledge obtained. If not, please do it now. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com.